If you're seeing Steam Error E43, don't worry, this usually means your account has been temporarily locked due to multiple failed login attempts, a suspicious sign-in, or another security-related issue. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into Steam as quickly as possible. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, the most important thing to understand is that Steam Error E43 is usually not a random app crash. It's more like Steam protecting your account. That means the fix often starts with your login status, your browser, or your network connection rather than the game itself. So we're going to work through the most effective steps in the right order. Start by resetting your Steam password. This is one of the quickest ways to clear a temporary account lock and prove that you're the account owner. Go to the Steam login page or open the Steam client, then choose the option for password recovery if you can't sign in. Follow the prompts, check your email, and create a new password. Once that's done, try signing in again. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix the error. If resetting your password doesn't solve it, the next thing to try is logging in through a web browser instead of the Steam app. Open Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or your preferred browser, then go to the official Steam website and attempt to sign in there. This helps you figure out whether the issue is with the Steam client itself or with your account. If the website works but the app doesn't, then the problem is likely local to the installed Steam program. If the browser login fails too, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted browser data can interfere with the Steam sign-in process and cause unexpected login errors. In your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, then clear cookies, cached images, and site data. After that, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try logging into Steam again. This simple step often resolves strange authentication issues. Now let's move on to your computer itself. Restart your PC if you haven't already. A full restart can clear temporary network glitches, close background processes, and reset small software conflicts that might be blocking Steam. After your computer comes back on, open Steam again and test the login. If the problem is still there, try reinstalling Steam. This is especially useful if the client files are damaged or outdated. Before uninstalling, make sure you know where your game files are stored if you want to keep them. Then uninstall Steam from your system, restart your computer, and download the latest version from the official Steam website. Install it again, sign in, and check whether the error has disappeared. A clean reinstall can fix a lot of stubborn local issues. Another important thing to check is your VPN. Sometimes a VPN can trigger login restrictions if the IP address looks unusual, or if Steam flags the connection for security reasons. If you're using a VPN, turn it off and try logging in normally. If you're not using one, you can also try enabling a trusted VPN temporarily to see whether your regular connection is being restricted. The goal here is to test whether the error is tied to your current IP address or network route. If none of those steps work, then the account may need manual review. At that point, the best move is to contact Steam support directly. Explain that you're getting Steam Error E43 and that you've already tried resetting your password, logging in through the browser, clearing cache and cookies, restarting your PC, and checking your VPN. The support team can review the account lock and help restore access if needed. So to quickly recap, reset your password, try the Steam website in a browser, clear cookies and cache if needed, restart or reinstall Steam, check your VPN, and if the error still won't go away, contact Steam support. Following these steps in order gives you the best chance of fixing the issue fast and safely. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with another Steam error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.